Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, today is a bloody amazing day. I'll tell you why. Because Afrikaans is 100 years old today. The language. Yeah, bloody amazing. It's about bloody time because my English are running out like my airtime. Yeah, but the fun fact is, they did a study across the bloody world there, to see what language are the sexiest in the world. And Afrikaans are by number 2. What a fright I got. Yeah, that are my language. But bloody amazing. Is it sexy when someone say to you by the oor there, I want to eat you like a stukkie biltong. I want to suig aan you soos 'n stukkie droewors. Jy maak my so happy soos 'n koeksister. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, thanks.